everyone, welcome to Boom and Bigs TV. In today's video, I will be sharing with you everything we ate on our recent cruise on the Carnival Mardi Gras. You will get an idea of what is offered at the Lido Marketplace buffet for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, vegan options offered in the main dining room and other restaurants, and other information, tips, and tricks for eating vegan on this cruise ship. This is the Lido Marketplace buffet on the Carnival Mardi Gras. Typically on cruises, Biggs and I really enjoy to eat at the buffet for breakfast, lunch, and a lot of times even dinner because it's so quick and easy, and there usually is enough vegan options to just make it easier for us to eat at the buffet. But unfortunately, that's not the case with the Carnival Mardi Gras or the Carnival Celebration. Being that they added more restaurants, they limited the amount of options available at the buffet. Usually for lunch, we could always find something on the buffet that we could eat, but a lot of times for dinner, there was nothing. Even the vegetables had butter, so that was really disappointing. For breakfast, the options are usually limited to fruit, cereal, which you can ask for soy milk, bagels, and sometimes hash browns. Here are some examples of the lunch we were able to find on the Lido Marketplace buffet. There's always salad, and typically every day there was some sort of a rice and Indian type of dish or pasta with marinara. This time I had grabbed some plain wraps to make salad wraps out of. And this is a bean and rice burrito from the Blue Iguana Cantina, which I ate almost every day for lunch along with whatever I could find at the buffet. It was much easier to find a lot of vegan options that we enjoyed at lunch, so we made sure to fill up then. And here's another example of another rice and Indian dish that we found on the buffet, again for lunch. I ate a salad with almost every lunch and dinner. There are two options for vegan dressings, which is a balsamic, which I personally don't like, and a low-fat Italian dressing, which is actually awesome, but unfortunately it wasn't available at every single meal. I learned that the hard way on the Carnival Celebration the month before, so I actually brought my own Italian dressing on this cruise, which I did end up using a few times. The fries came from Time Fries on the Lido deck.
This is a veggie burger with potato sticks, sauteed onions, banana peppers, pickles, lettuce, tomato, ketchup.
Looks good.
Biggs enjoyed eating the veggie burgers from Guy's Burger Joint almost every day. Some of the Carnival cruise ships have actually moved the veggie burger from Guy's Burger Joint to the deli, which can be beneficial because the deli typically has longer hours than Guy's Burger. But on the Carnival Mardi Gras and the Carnival Celebration, the veggie burger is still found at Guy's Burger Joint. Here's an article I found on Cruise Hive talking about Carnival Cruise Line's vegan burger. And you can see here the ingredients and the way that it is cooked. So it's made with things like black beans, brown rice, pumpkin, cauliflower, mushrooms, garlic, scallions, oregano, tomato, and other vegan ingredients. As far as other items on the cruise ship, you do want to ask if something is vegan or not if you're not sure. I think we only ate at the buffet around 2 nights for dinner. This is what we found one of the nights: some green beans, rice, and baked potato. I like to bring a 3-pack of the vegan Daya squeeze cheese, which is really nice on baked potatoes. Another night we found rice and beans and baked potato, but most nights there was nothing we could eat besides salad on the buffet. One of the options we took advantage of many times on this ship was the pizza place, which you might know that you can get the plain pizza with no cheese, but they do actually also have vegan cheese, and it's not on the menu, so definitely ask for it. Moving on to other dinner options included in your cruise is the main dining room, the Chibang Mexican Chinese restaurant, and the Italian restaurant. At all 3 of these places, you can request a chef's choice vegan meal including dessert. They typically like to know in advance so that they can prepare, so you'd want to let them know the night before that you'll be showing up for dinner, and when you do, they'll know to go ahead and start that vegan meal. We chose that option a few times on the Carnival Celebration, and sometimes we ended up with something we liked, and sometimes we didn't. So this time, we decided to just find the few items that are on the menu and order something that we could eat from these restaurants. At the Italian place, that was spaghetti noodles, red sauce, broccoli, and cauliflower. When we ordered a vegan chef's choice from this restaurant on the celebration, we ended up with an eggplant dish with no noodles that we really didn't like. So that was our main reason for choosing our own dish from this restaurant. And it was actually really good. At Chebang, we ordered several sides to put together and make a big plate. So I think we got something like 2 to 3 servings of rice, 2 to 3 servings of the free whole bean dish, and servings of broccoli and green beans, and put it all together on one plate and topped it with the vegan cheese that I brought, and it ended up being a really great meal. I hope this video gave you a better idea of what vegan options are available on the Carnival Mardi Gras. Thank you so much for watching.